Thank you, friends, for your valuable feedback and suggestions. फ्रेंड्स, आज हम बात करेंगे दो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट सॉफ्ट स्किल के बारे में एंड दीज सॉफ्ट स्किल्स आर adaptability and flexibility. Adaptability is the ability to adjust ourselves according to any situation. किसी भी परिस्थिति के अनुकूल खुद को ढाल लेने को adaptability कहते हैं. And we will also talk about flexibility. We'll talk about flexibility of body and flexibility of mind. But let us first see what is life. Life is a condition that distinguishes us from the other non-living things, and it includes constant growth, creativity, functional activity, and continual change. Life itself is a change, and we should not frame ourselves in preconceived notions, patterns, hard and fast rules, conditions, habits, stereotype, etc. Because we are not a lifeless picture, we are life. And to keep the wheel of life in continuous momentum, we should be adaptable and flexible. Now, in order to understand adaptability, let us take a very beautiful example. Whenever we have to go for a holiday or a trip, what do? जब भी हम कभी छुट्टियों में घूमने का प्रोग्राम बनाते हैं, तो उससे पहले हम क्या करते हैं? We plan our holiday. We go through the internet and we gather all the necessary information for that. The type of climate there, so that we can pack our bags according to that. We also gather information about what are the places to visit, what food to eat, what things to buy from there, and we gather information not only about the destination but also about the journey as well. And why do we do this? We do this so that we do not have to waste even a day or even a single moment in adjusting ourselves, so that we get adaptable to that place as soon as we reach there. And then we are not fearful of what will happen there. We are so much excited and everything comes to us as an adventure. And we enjoy our holiday and our trip. So now, if we see carefully, the same thing applies to our future. Future is also a kind of unplanned holiday which we can plan by making ourselves knowledgeable and gathering all the necessary informations that are required to plan our future, so that we do not get fearful about the future. Rather, every day comes with excitement and it becomes adventurous. No doubt, we have to face certain exceptional circumstances which we have not planned before. But if we have the flexibility of body and flexibility of mind, that situations can also be handled beautifully. Now again the question arises, how to make the mind and body flexible. बॉडी को फ्लेक्सिबल करने के लिए हमारे पास अलग अलग तरीके हैं. आर डेली वर्कआउट, वी कैन गो फॉर स्विमिंग, साइकिलिंग, वॉक, exercise, aerobics, etc. But for me, the best way to make our body flexible is doing yoga. योगा भारत की एक प्राचीन पद्धति और शैली है, और मेरा मानना यह है कि इससे हमें रोज़ करना है, and we should make it a part of our daily routine. Why? Because yoga gives stability, alertness, awareness, grace, and perfection to every posture and every body movement. It is a combo of body, breath, and mind. And my friends, it gives stamina, strength, and flexibility to the body. Now, in order to make the mind flexible, to make our mind flexible or to have a command on the mind, we have to regulate and modulate our breath by doing the different breathing exercise or the pranayam like Bhastrika, Kapalbhati, Nadi Shodhan, Bhramri, etc. etc. And when we make our body and mind flexible, we can enjoy our life to the fullest. So, my friends, when we keep the wheel of our life in continuous momentum with adaptability and flexibility, it neither carries dust nor it catches rust, and again it keeps on moving forward on its own pace. And so I will wish here for all of you, stay happy, stay healthy, stay flexible and adaptable. Thank you. Thanks a lot.